lesson is how to compare present continuous tense from present simple tense. Okay. A few days ago, we studied about present continuous tense. Remember? Now, will you give me a sentence with present continuous tense using teacher Ipe as the subject?
Teacher Ipe is watching me.
Okay, very good, Martin. Okay, how about, let's see, using MMBS teachers as the subject. Will you try?
MMBS teacher teach or teaching or teach
Now?
or watching
How about using another word?
looking
Okay.
And me.
me.
Okay. So MMBS teachers are looking at me. Correct. Now, what do you notice about our verbs here? What kind of verbs are these? Be verbs. Very good. And what kind of verb follows the be verb?
Verb ing form.
Okay, yes. Okay. These are verbs in ing form, and they follow the be verb. Yeah. How about if we're going to make these sentences into question form? Let's change the first sentence into a question. Can you do that? Okay.
Is teacher Ife watching me?
Yes. How about the second one?
Are MMBS teacher looking at me?
Again.
Are MMBS teachers looking at me?
Okay. Very good. Again. Now, do you remember when do we use the present continuous tense?
When the action is happening now.
Very good. Again. And the action is happening now. Is there another expression for the word now?
Or at the moment.
Yes. Okay. Very good, Martin. How about present simple tense? Okay. Let's make sentences in present simple tense using, okay, let's see. The sun rises where? Do you know?
The earth.
What do you observe about the sun? Where does it rise? What direction? East, west, north, or south? Okay, again.
East.
Okay, so the sun rises in east. Okay. How about let's use Martin and Miss Sa as our subject. Will you make a sentence?
Martin and Miss Swims.
What? Is it with S or no S?
No man.
Okay, no S.
Swim
Together.
Where?
in the swimming pool.
Okay, in the swimming pool. How often? How often?
Every morning.
Okay, every morning. Very good. Next. Now, what do you notice about the verbs rises and swim? Why does this verb have S, but this one, it doesn't have S? Do you know why?
Because second one has a two subject,
Okay, and plural subject.
plural subject, and but there is a one single subject.
Singular subject. Okay, very good, Martin. Very good. As if we practiced, but we didn't. Okay, yes. Now, if we're going to change the first sentence into a question form, can you do that? Okay, will you try to change this into a question? Do you remember? Using the word do or does.
Does the sun rises in the east?
The sun rises in the east. Look at the verb. What's wrong with that?
Rise.
Rise. Why should we write rise, not rising?
Because does is original form.
To use that, we have to use the original form of the verb. Okay, how about this one?
Do Martin and Lisa swim in the swimming pool every morning?
Very good, Martin. Very good. Again, yes. So do Martin and Misa, or do they swim in the swimming pool every morning? Okay. Do you remember when we use the present simple tense? Okay. Based from the first sentence, the sun rises in the east. What kind of sentence is this?
When we talk about general truth.
Oh, yes! Very good, Martin. Okay. Yes, we use the present simple tense when we're talking about general truth or a fact. Again, how about the second sentence?
When the action happens repeatedly.
Oh, yes! Very good, Martin. Okay. So we use the present simple when the action happens repeatedly, yes. Or when we're talking about, what did you say again?
When we talking about general truth.
When we're talking about general truth. Okay. Now, you can compare present continuous from present simple. As you have said, present continuous, we use this tense when we're talking about an action that is happening now or at the moment, and we use the present simple tense when we're talking about an action that happens repeatedly, or we're talking about general truth. But what if I ask you this question? Can you read this?
What do you do? What are you doing?
Okay, if I ask you, what do you do? What's your answer?
I'm a student.
Very good. And what are you doing?
I'm learning grammar.
Yes, very in present simple tense, and this is a question in present continuous tense. If I'm going to show you a picture, okay, look at this. Can you see this picture? What does she say?
I'm a programmer.
Photographer. Okay, I'm a photographer. If I ask you, what does she do?
She write a letter.
What does she do? We use the present simple tense. What does she do?
She is a photographer.
Yes. And what is she doing?
She is writing something.
Yes, okay, very good morning. Now, how about this? Okay, my picture is something. Can you see?
We are taxi drivers.
Okay, we are taxi drivers. Now, if I ask you, what are they doing?
They are jogging.
They are jogging. Yes, they are jogging. And what do they do?
There are taxi drivers.
They are taxi drivers. Yes, okay. If I ask you about Teacher Ipe, what does Teacher Ipe do?
He is a teacher.
And what is he doing now?
He is watching me.
Yes, okay. Does he teach? Does he teach?
Yes,
Yes.
he is.
Oh.
I
Does he teach?
plus
Okay, let me write that question. Okay. Does he teach?
no, he isn't.
Oh, look at this verb. Okay. Does he teach?
Yes, he does.
Is he teaching?
No, he doesn't. He isn't.
Okay, yes, okay. Well, I hope you won't be confused. Now, we're going to answer the exercises in the book. And this is the end of the demo video.